Dutch prosecution challenges Jah Cure's attempted murder acquittal. Hi again and welcome. This is the Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. While Jah Cure may be longing for his 6-year sentence for attempted manslaughter to be overturned through a possible appeal by his lawyer, the Public Prosecution Service in the Netherlands seem to still have Jah Cure on their minds. On Tuesday, April the 5th, 2022, Prosecution Service told reporters that it has submitted an appeal to the Court of Appeal seeking to put the attempted murder charge back on the table. For Jah Cure fans who have been following the case, Jah Cure recently went to court in the Netherlands to face 2 charges for attempted manslaughter and the other for attempted murder in connection with a stabbing incident in Amsterdam involving a promoter back in October 2021. While he was found guilty of attempted manslaughter, the court found him not guilty of attempted murder. The prosecution is now challenging the ruling for the acquittal for the attempted murder and wants the attempted murder charge to be reheard by 3 senior judges in the Court of Appeal. Links 007 TV News reached out to the person confirmed by the prosecution service to be Jah Cure's lawyer in the Netherlands to confirm whether he was aware of the appeal being lodged by the prosecution on Tuesday against the attempted murder acquittal. However, no comment was received. It is also unclear whether Jah Cure's lawyer had submitted his own appeal within the 14-day deadline to challenge a 6-year sentence for attempted manslaughter. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.